Hello students, welcome back to your computer class. This is your computer book. Open your book, children. Class 2 computer book. Children, last class I have taught you about different types of keys present on the keyboard. Today we will continue the same lesson and we will read about some other keys present on the keyboard. Spacebar. The spacebar should be pressed to provide space between words or sentence. It is the longest key present on the keyboard. See children, this is your picture of your spacebar key, and in the keyboard spacebar key is the longest key and it is used to give space between words. See here, space is given between the words. This space is given with the help of this spacebar. Then comes your caps lock key. The caps lock key should be pressed when you want to type letters in capital. This key is located at the left side of the keyboard. When the caps lock key is pressed, the caps lock light glow at the top right corner of the keyboard. So children, this is your caps lock key which is present on the left side of the keyboard. See here children, you can see here picture, you can see this is a picture of your keyboard, and here is the here left side you can see the caps lock. When you press this key, a light light glow at the top right corner of the keyboard here, and you can type the letters in capital. Then see, when the caps lock key is pressed again, the letters can be typed in lowercase. So once you press the caps lock key, it appears capital letters, and again if you again press it, it will typed in small letters. Backspace key. The backspace key should be pressed to erase the character or to the left cursor of the cursor. So when you press the backspace, the left of the part will be erased. See here, a keyboard is written BOARD. When you press the backspace, it will erase the left side letter. The cursor is a small line that keeps blinking on the screen. So what is a cursor? It is a small line that keeps blinking on the screen. When the screen is open, you can see like one single line like this, it will be visible. It is your cursor. To correct the wrong spelling keyboard, let us see the use of backspace key. See children, in this monitor here the spelling of keyboard is written wrong. So when you use the backspace key, the left part of letter will be erased. This one will be erased. So see here, the correct spelling is written here. So up to this much today. Next class I will continue the same lesson. Thank you children. Have a nice day.